Extracting audio from screen recordings.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very interesting topic: how to recover sound from a screen recording. We all know that sometimes we end up with a video, but we need the audio separately. Whether you need to use that audio for other purposes, or you need to fix the audio, it's important to know how to extract the sound from the video.
What do we mean by recovering sound from screen recordings?
By recovering sound from a screen recording, we essentially mean extracting the audio track from the video file. This audio track can then be manipulated or used separately from the original video. It's a simple but crucial process when working with multimedia.
What software can we use?
There are numerous software tools available that can help us accomplish this. The best ones are Audacity, VLC Media Player, and Adobe Premiere Pro. Audacity is a free, open-source, cross-platform audio software. It allows you to import your video file and then it automatically extracts the audio, which you can then edit or save separately. VLC Media Player is another great tool that isn't just for playing videos. It also has some hidden features, including the ability to extract audio from video files. Adobe Premiere Pro: for those who are more into professional video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro is a comprehensive tool that allows for detailed video and audio editing. With Adobe Premiere Pro, you can import a video file and simply export the audio.
How do these tools work?
In Audacity, it's quite simple. You just have to 1. Open the software. 2. Click on File to import to audio, and select your video file. 3. The audio from the video will then appear on the screen, which you can edit and save separately. VLC Media Player: with VLC Media Player, the steps are: 1. Go to Media to convert, save. 2. Add the video file from which you want to extract the audio. 3. Choose the desired audio format and the destination folder. 4. Click on Start, and the audio will be saved in the chosen destination. Adobe Premiere Pro: in Adobe Premiere Pro, 1. Import your video file. 2. Place it on the timeline. 3. Go to File to export to Media. 4. In the export settings, choose the audio format you want and deselect Export Video. 5. Click on Export, and your audio file will be saved. And there you have it. With these tools, you can easily recover sound from any screen recording. All of them are useful and serve slightly different purposes, from basic to more advanced audio extraction. I hope this information is helpful and makes your audio editing journey a little easier.